Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then further diaphragm we will see the development of diaphragm. So in the diaphragm, the development of diaphragm, first, if you see, the diaphragm contains the central tendon. It has a central tendon. Then it has two cruras, right crus and left crus. Okay. Then it also has muscular portion. A small intermediate muscular portion is present, surrounded by peripheral muscular portion. So this is peripheral muscular portion, central tendon, right crus and the left crus. Okay, so we will see from where they are each of the parts developed. So actually the central tendon is developed from the septum transversum. Central tendon is developed from the septum transversum. Crura, that is right and left crus, are developed from the mesentery of esophagus, and even the muscular part is developed by the cervical myotomes. And in the muscular part we have intermediate portion and peripheral portion. Intermediate portion can be developed from the pleuroperitoneal membrane. From the pleuroperitoneal membrane we can develop the diaphragm develops a small intermediate portion, whereas from the body wall the peripheral muscular diaphragm is developed from the body wall. So in the diaphragm, the septum transversum will develop the central tendon. From through the mesentery of esophagus, the right and left crust will develop, and cervical myotomes will also give some muscular input. Pleuroperitoneal membranes will develop the small intermediate muscle portion, whereas peripheral muscular diaphragm is developed by the body wall. Diaphragm is just for understanding, it's not the actual diagram.
thank you and thank you for watching.